Right, so it's time for a bit of Stonechip. I've got myself one of these guns, got myself a little compressor that I'm borrowing. Hopefully that should do the job. Got the Gravitex in some hot water, as I heard that was the best way. Get it nice and done. The car's all masked up. There's the compressor gun. Yeah, so let's just get on with it. So here's the result. Basically, I think the compressor was not quite man enough, so there's not enough pressure, which meant it came out really thick, and where it's come out really thick, it's sort of run down like this. This is where I tried to touch it up with a paintbrush, but it hasn't adhered very well. I'm not sure, maybe my prep work wasn't the best either. So I'm kind of annoyed about this, but I'll wait till it dries, and then once it's completely dry I'll go over it again. There's some bits that have actually come out pretty nice, like around here I think it's pretty good, but yeah, I'm a little disappointed, but it's covered, isn't it? Yeah, you can see just here is where I tried touching it up a bit with a paintbrush, but it's just kind of picked up. And inside here, not bad, but yeah, it was just, I think it was just too much paint getting thrown out in one go. So, oh well, it is what it is.